Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to add the echo audio effect to your videos or your projects over at CapCut from scratch. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to make sure of is that you're logged into your account over at CapCut, be it the browser site version or the actual program on your PC or the app for your mobile phone. So the idea here is once you're on the dashboard, let's actually upload a video to work on. So this should take you to a new page where you get to upload a new video. And if you want to import some, I should say, audio cuts or some effects to your video or your project over at CapCut, you guys would want to navigate first to the audio tab, and it's usually found on the left hand side of the screen. So you're met with a bunch of different options being media. So this will talk about the assets you have uploaded for that certain project, or you can have templates, elements, audio, text, captions, transcript, effects, and so on. Now from here, the idea is we want to add audio files or audio effects. So to do it, we'd click on audio, just like so. And from here, we can do stuff like adding an echo effect or a music overlay to the background of our video. And to do it, you guys would want to click on the sound effects tab right here. And we're actually able to add in some, I should say, a wide variety of effects over to our project. So this can be the muffled sound effect, for example, or an echo. So to do so, if I were to add echo, let's say like this, all you guys would have to do is make your selection here, click on add to timeline, and you can even span it across the entire video. So what this effectively does is it adds an echo effect to the entire video. Or if you want it muffled, or if you want it to sound underwater, you can type underwater. As you can see, there's a wide selection of what you can do here, or muffled. So all of these are filters that you can add over and overlay them to your video to actually add some effects to it. So here, you can even do stuff like a voice changer, or increase the decibels of the sound of a video, or have a fade in and out sound effect, as you can see. Or under smart tools, actually this is more for the video and has nothing to do with the audio, but yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, that's how you guys add effects to your videos or projects over at CapCut, be it an echo effect or a muffled sound effect. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.